My name is Amanda Jacinto from Bow River Law. We are an employment law firm here in Calgary. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, I did something wrong at work. Will you still help me? The answer is yes. No one is perfect. We all make mistakes in the workplace. However, when it comes to speaking to your employment lawyer about any performance issues or mistakes in the workplace, it is of utmost importance that you speak honestly and candid with your lawyer so they are better able to understand the situation and help you moving forward. And trust me, we've heard it all and we've seen it all, so there's no need to be shy or hide any details. Now, that being said, when speaking with your lawyer, it's important to talk about the following factors or keep these in mind when discussing your matter. What exactly happened? Was anybody injured? Who was involved? When did the mistake or incident take place? Has it happened before? Is there a pattern of this type of behavior or mistakes? And what did your employer do about it? Did they ask you to engage in additional training? Did they provide you with a written or verbal warning? And really anything else related to that mistake at work in your employment relationship. It is also worth emphasizing that if you do make a mistake in the workplace, that doesn't automatically mean that your employer has just cause to terminate you. Just cause is when your employer is alleging that you've engaged in such misconduct or omission that it ultimately results in a breakdown of the employment relationship. Now, that's a really big statement to make. And the courts and the laws realize that. Just because your employer alleges just cause does not mean that there is just cause to terminate you. Therefore, you should definitely speak to an employment lawyer to take a second look at the matter. Now, in determining whether or not your employer had just cause to terminate you, there are a multitude of factors to take into account and consider. For instance, what was this conduct? Were you provided with a written warning, a verbal warning? Were you advised that such conduct could lead to a termination? And were you provided with time to improve your performance? And was the termination proportionate? Put it metaphorically, does the time justify the crime? Now, again, come speak to us here at Bow River Law. We'll be more than happy to discuss your matter with you and see what options you have moving forward.